Today I will be doing a short video demonstrating how to unlock a Samsung Galaxy. So I'm going to be doing it with this model, but the same process applies for other Samsung Galaxy models. So let's dive right into it. The first thing you have to do is go and find your IMEI's number. You have to go to the phone app, go to the dial screen, and then you're gonna have to press *#06#. There you will see a 15-digit number on your screen. This is your IMEI number. So make sure you write it down somewhere, as we will need it on the next step.
Alright, so the next step is to go to the internet. Here we will unlock the phone. We have to fill in the form, the brand of your phone. So this will work for any other brand as well. Then you're gonna write down your IMEI number. That's the number we got at the beginning of the video, so just make sure you write it down correctly. Then you have to type the email where you want to receive your code or the notification that your phone has been unlocked. So just make sure you write it down correctly. It's very important, otherwise you won't get your unlock code. So just make sure it is 100% correct. Alright, so now you have to wait until you get your unlock code. This will take a couple of days, as I said before, so you have to be very patient. But for this example, I'm going to show you how the email I got looks. So I'm going to go to my personal email account. And as you can see here, I got this message and it confirms that the phone has been unlocked. So I'm just going to open it. So as you can see here, it says that everything went successful. And now we have instructions on how to activate the unlock. In some cases, you're going to have an unlock code. In other cases, you simply will get a confirmation that your phone has been remotely unlocked. Either way, I'm going to show you how to do the unlock or how to activate the unlock. I'm going to switch back cameras. We're going to go ahead and power off the device. Once your phone is fully off, we're going to insert a SIM card from a different carrier. So we're going to power on the phone and we will wait until the phone is fully on. And then it will require an unlock code in order to use it with a different carrier. So we're just going to wait a couple of seconds right here. Alright, so as you can see here, I got this message that requires an unlock code. So SIM network unlock PIN. So we're gonna go ahead and insert the unlock code we just got in the email, right? So we're gonna write it down here. Alright, so make sure it is 100% correct. Keep in mind that this unlock code will only work one time for this specific phone because it's calculated based on your IMEI number. Then we're gonna hit unlock. SIM network unlocked successfully. Perfect. That means that the code was accepted and now this phone is fully unlocked. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below and I will try to answer all the questions as soon as I can. Thank you so much and I'll see you on the next one.